the next step, we are going to show how we can connect our design to our app. First of all, please click on this house. Then the system will ask you to put one single thing, and this is the name of the company. So you add your company, and then you just click OK. We already added a new function to our FusionSolar app, so which means if we click on the right button on the screen, we will send this system to our app. So the installer doesn't need to create a new system. It just has to align to the system that we are sending from our web version to our app. Once we found our new system in our app, we want to proceed to make the commissioning of the system. So then we click on our project, then we click on device because we want to pair our device with our inverter firstly, and then we just click on the plus. Then the system will work and we will look for the QR code of our inverter. Okay. The next step is to make the QR code of our inverter. We click here on this device, it will look then for the next QR code. Very important here, every QR code is on the right side of your inverter. After we scan the QR code, the system will automatically find our inverter. Once the system appears in your app, the next step is to bind your optimizers to the PV layout. To bind your optimizers, please click on Layout, then you click on Physical Layout, then on the Import button, which is the first one on the right side. Once you have this, please click on Import to get your PV panels from your design. Once your panels on your roof appears on the system, please be clear which side of the roof you're going to scan at first. Once you have the side, please click on the Scan, and then you can scan every QR code one by one. In this last step, you can see all the optimizers has been successfully bounded to the solar panels and to our optimizer. That's it! You just finished the configuration of your system on your SmartDesign. If you want to watch more videos, please go on our channel on YouTube. Thank you.